Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a new style homemade pizza without maida, yeast or oven. This easy semolina pizza is soft, cheesy and perfect when you want a quick homemade pizza with simple ingredients. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup suji or semolina, 1/4 cup curd, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now pour half cup water gradually and mix until smooth. Keep aside for 10 minutes so the suji softens properly. Now add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and mix gently. Suji provides energy and fullness. Homemade pizza is fresher and more hygienic. Grease a frying pan lightly with oil. Pour the batter into the pan and spread evenly. Cook on low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes until the base becomes firm. Now flip the base. Now spread mayonnaise and tomato sauce on top. Semolina pizza is a quick alternative to traditional pizza dough. This recipe needs no yeast or oven. Add mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese creates the classic stretchy texture. Spread onion, capsicum, tomato. Pan pizzas are very popular for easy homemade cooking. Resting the suji helps soften the texture. Vegetables add vitamins and flavor. Do not overload with toppings. Top with more mozzarella cheese. You can control cheese and sauces according to your preference. Chili flakes and oregano. Cover and cook on low heat for another 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese melts beautifully. Cover properly so the cheese melts evenly. Your easy homemade semolina pizza is ready. Cook the base on low heat to avoid burning. Serve hot and enjoy the cheesy goodness. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.